Sharing videos creates a dynamic learning environment that captivates and engages your team like never before. Videos bring ideas to life, inspire discussions, and make learning memorable. Videos are a powerful tool for knowledge transfer and skill development. And when you share valuable video resources, you empower your teammates to learn at their own pace and convenience. MP4, Vimeo, YouTube, and Zoom. First makes it effortless to share video content with your teammates. You can upload, organize, and share videos that empower your team and foster a culture of continuous learning.